I'm going to let T represent the total number of employees. And in this problem, we're trying to figure out how many employees does the firm have. So I'm trying to find T. All right, and we know that 65% are full-time. So 0.65 times the total number of employees, they would be full-time. And you're either full-time or part-time, so that means you got 35% of the total would be part-time. And the other thing that they give me, they say 5,100 more full-time employees than part-time. So full-time is part-time plus 5,100. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Let's just plug information in this equation. Full-time is 0.65T. Trying to get an equation with just one variable. Part-time is 0.35T plus 5,100. And if I subtract 0.35T from both sides, I get 0.30T equal 5,100. And T will equal 5,100 divided by 0.3. I'm going to drop the 0, 0.3. Now, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 10, and that gives me 5,100 times 10 over 3. I didn't want to divide that decimal. Now, either divide in your head or go on the side of your paper and do 3 into 5,100. That's 1, 3, 21. That's going to be 1,700. So this piece here is 1,700, but you've got it times 10, so 17,000 equals T.